Introducing Coral FR, a textile entrance flooring system for rail vehicles. The Coral FR range. Coral Classic FR, the ultimate moisture absorber. Coral Brush FR, the great all-rounder. Coral Duo FR, the ultimate dirt and moisture remover. Coral Welcome FR, where design meets environment. Research shows that taking just 2 steps on Coral Classic's moisture-absorbing yarns is enough to absorb half of the footborne moisture that would otherwise be carried inside on the soles of people's shoes. With 13 colourways to choose from, there's sure to be one to work with your interior design scheme. Coral Brush FR is a functional all-rounder that absorbs moisture and removes dry soiling. There are 18 solid and linear references to choose from, which will work well with any rail interior. Coral Duo FR is the ideal solution when you need the maximum dirt removal, unrivaled dirt retention, and exceptional moisture absorption all in just a few paces. 8 colourways, each giving a great aesthetic. With its contemporary linear design and rich, deep pile, Coral Welcome FR has both the style and aesthetic appeal, making an unequivocal statement in any entrance area. This design comes in 8 different colourways. For more information or to request a visit from a key account manager, please contact Forbo Flooring Systems, either by telephone, email or online. If you'd like to be kept up to date regarding product updates, industry news and events, then sign up via our website to our quarterly newsletter, Transpress. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for daily updates, regular blogs and current industry news.